Funding for Arthur is provided by
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping children discover the fun of developing their bodies and their minds. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
Juicy Juice. We're behind Arthur 100%. Of course, that's how we do everything. Juicy Juice. 100% juice.
Post alphabets, 26 little letters that make the words that let you share your feelings. Around the corner or around the world, bringing us all a little bit closer together. Post Alphabet Cereal is proud to bring you Arthur on PBS.
and by a grant from the United States Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
PBS Kids!
Don't miss the fun. There's more to come on WETA Kids.
What would I do if I were the president? Oh, I would try to stop all the crime and stuff that are going to be bad. I would help the good guys and fight and call the police for the bad guys. I help stop the violence. I would want to make it so there weren't any homeless people, so that they didn't have to beg for money on the streets.
Know there are a lot of TV shows out there that you could be watching.
Hello! Hello up there!
I'm about to change the channel. With all the competition out there, look at that. We're really glad that you keep watching Arthur.
I like it.
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
Okay, there's this really bad dude named Hacker.
Me? Hacker to you?
Whatever. He wants to take over the cyber world. The three kids are sucked into cyberspace, and they use brain power to help save everybody.
Okay, here's the plan.
So they travel all over and run into all these weird creatures and have all these awesome adventures. It's totally up to them to save cyberspace. Can three cool kids and a wacky bird outsmart the hacker?
Never!
There's only one way to find out.
Tune in to Cyber Chase.
Major funding for Cyberchase is provided by the National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future. Additional funding is provided by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, the Kettering Family Foundation, the Volkhausen family, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS stations from viewers like you. Thank you.